is just a short video to show you how to listen to the audio comments that I made on your graded essay. Also to read your comments, but you've been doing that all semester, hopefully. So here I am in Blackboard. I'm looking at the announcements. I'm going to go to my grades. And you should look for having our say, or some of you, if you turned it into miscellaneous, I put mine in miscellaneous, but you'll look at having our say. You'll notice that you have this little box over here. If you click on that, you'll only get the recording, but I want to see my essay and I want to hear the recording at the same time, because that's the best way to do this, because I'm going to talk about what it is you need to see. So go ahead and open up by clicking on the blue title there. And it has opened up and you can see it here. Notice that the recording is over here. So all I have to do is click play. But the problem when I click play is that it's going to cover the whole screen. So I have two different ways that you can get back to your screen. First way, I'm going to click here and you'll notice that it opened up here. Sometimes it opens as another tab. I don't know why it didn't that time. Let me try it again. I'm going to open it. And it's not. So if it does something strange like this, because notice I'm having a hard time seeing my paper while I play it, I can on my Apple probably hit play. This is just a recording to show you how to listen to the recording. And then I can make sure that you are looking at your paper while the recording is playing. So I can minimize it like that. If it's totally covering your screen, which I had that happen earlier, the other way to look at that is to go ahead and close the recording, and I can download the essay that I want to look at, and I can click on it, and then I can open it so that it's here. So I can look at it. That's what I actually did when I was making the recordings, because it wouldn't let me just look at your paper while I was recording. So then what I can do is I can come over here and push play, and then I can go to this one and I can see it, and I can push play. This is just a recording to show you how to listen to the recording. Make sure that you are looking at your paper while the recording is playing. Oh, trying to stop that. So what you can do then is just open the tab with the PDF of your graded file there. So there's a couple of different ways to look at your work, because the most important thing is that you are actually looking at your paper while I say a few things to you. Some of you have more than one audio, because it took me more than the 5 minutes. I got cut off, so I just went ahead and made another little one. So make sure if you have two, you'll notice that they might not be in order, but they're labeled as 1 and 2. So make sure that you click on the first one, or it won't make sense if you do them out of order.